How to do this. Hold your object, pull your hand away fast so it wobbles, then film just the background. Open both clips in CapCut. Go to the point where your hand is out of frame and tap Freeze. Delete the part before the freeze frame. Now select the freeze frame, go to Remove Background, choose Custom Removal and paint over your object. Then tap Overlay and place it over your clean background clip. Trim the beginning so it's about half a second long. Go to the end and tap this keyframe button, then go to the beginning and make the object small. Click the graph icon next to the keyframe and select Cubic In. That's it. If you want to learn more, comment Masterclass.